Now, see here, the speed is important. If we take difficult passages, it will take time. So that one, speed is important. So for concentrating on speed, I am giving you easy passage once. Then next one, we are cutting short in time. If it is a big passage, it will be very difficult and too much time to find out. So first and second and third and fourth are little easier ones. And the last passage is the one which we are going to handle. That is more important. Okay, so that I will make you do it. Easy ones I will help you, and difficult ones I will make you do it, and afterwards I will cover it up. Okay, come on, I am there with you. All the full test I am here with you. Right, now let us see here. Page number 101. Carston Health Center. Carston Health Center. Now here, keep your skimming scanning paper next to you. First one, the title of the passage. Study carefully. In skimming, there are two steps. In skimming, there are two steps. Let's take the title of the passage. Title of the passage, study carefully. Now, here, title. Read the title, study carefully and underline it. Carston Health Center. Underline Carston Health Center. Next one. Patient information leaflet. Underline that one also. Patient information leaflet. So this is the title of the passage. Next one. The first line of each paragraph, important points, study carefully. First line of each paragraph, important points, study carefully. Let us see here. Appointments, underline appointments. Weekends and nights, underline. Center nurses, underline. New patients, underline. Services not covered, underline. Receptionists, underline. Change of address, underline. Next, stage 2. Now second stage is called scanning. Scanning the passage. Now in scanning the passage, what you have to, overall this has 10 minutes. So first part 10 minutes, second part 10 minutes, 20 minutes for passage 1. So 10 minutes will take, in 10 minutes we have to finish this one. So stage 2, scanning the passage. Scan the passage. In passage, you have to scan for 5 different things. Names, numbers, new words, difficult words, and special words and phrases. Names, numbers, new words, difficult words, and special words and phrases. These are the things which you have to underline. Now let us see. Very fast, take just half a minute and underline all the keywords. Don't read line by line, don't read word by word. Jump here and there and try to underline the numbers. Now let's go to C. There is C, last paragraph, 3 years, underline. Then 2 lines above, there is 75S, underline. And B, third line, underline 9:30, underline 10 a.m. and underline 10 a.m. And in first line, 823307, that underline. Then next, first paragraph, 826969, underline. 8:35 p.m. Monday, Friday, underline. So all the numbers are underlined. Next one, names, important names, underline. What are called important names? The names which have a special importance. Let us see here. C, line 1, underline Liz Stewart, Martina Scott, and Helen Stranger. 3 words underline because these are names of people. Next one, you can go to B, third line, Saturday morning emergency surgery. All are big words and they are important words. Names of emergency surgery is the name of an activity. The next one, go to last paragraph. There you can see relocate. There's a key word. Relocate is a very big word and is a special word. Underline. Then let's go to D. There, 2 capital letters are there. Center nurses. Center nurses, capital letters. So underline center nurses because it's a capital letters. It's the name of a group of nurses. The next one, go to C. There Helen Stranger is there in 4th line. Underline. The next, 5th line or 6th line, all 3 center nurses, capital letters along with the number 3. Together it is important. Next one, go to A. There you will find 3rd line, appointments. Then same line, punctual. last line, longer appointment. Then E, there are some capital letters. Can you recollect? Easily you can find capital letters. What are those? National Medical Association. Underline this one. That's it, finished. This is scanning the passage, done. Now let's go to scan the questions. Let's go to scan the questions. Now, question number 1. What, underline, do, underline, if, underline, help, underline, outside normal working hours, underline. Next, who speak first for general information, underline. What happens when register center? Next, what do if need cancel doctor's appointment? All these underline. Next one, always, underline, must, underline, see, same doctor, together underline, same doctor, if visit center. Next, if want repeat prescription, must make appointment. Next, Helen Stranger, the head nurse, underline. Next, possible receptionist, explain problem. Next, should health center, new contact details, move house. Is it clear? So scanning the questions also over. But in pre-reading, there are 3 stages: pre-reading, while reading, post-reading. Pre-reading stage, you have to do all these things. Okay. Now, here, questions 1 to 4, circle 1 to 4 on the top. Then, A to G, write down, circle A to G. So you have to write the correct letter A to G. Which paragraph it is there? Circle A to G. Which paragraph is there? Circle. Next one. Question numbers 5 to 9. Circle 5 to 9. Then circle true, false, not given together. He asked you to write a true, false, not given in capital letters. Can you see that? Yes. He asked you to write in capital letters. So write in capital letters. Next. That's it. So, finished. Skimming over, scanning over. Now we go to the main part of the answer, passage. That is called reading for detailed understanding. What is it called as? Reading for detailed understanding. Reading for detailed understanding. Here you have to find 3 steps. You have to do 3 steps. Follow 3 steps. Now, first one. Underlined words in the question, circle the keywords. Which question will go? Go to the first question only, obviously. Question after question you have to do. Underlined words in the question, circle the keywords. What are the keywords here? What, circle. Do, circle. If, circle. Need help, circle. Outside normal working hours, circle. Outside normal working hours, come. Outside normal working hours. Fine. Now here, where can you find? Don't turn the page, please. Don't turn the page. Now here, what do if need help outside normal working hours? Where can we find first part or second part or third part? They will be in an order. Almost always they will be in an order. Almost always they will be in an order. So now this one will go. First question will go where? In the beginning or middle or last? Beginning. Mostly it will be in the beginning. Mostly. It's not 100%. But mostly it will be in the beginning. Mostly it will be in the beginning. Now let us see the next one. Next part. Go to that beginning. Turn the page and go to the beginning. There you can find there. outside duty hours, outside working hours, outside normal working hours, appointments, correct? What to do if you need help outside normal working hours? Outside normal working hours, where you see? B. Weekends and nights. Appointments normally, weekends and nights are outside work, correct? Weekend nobody is working, nights nobody is working, correct? Then what you have to do? Okay? So that is it. Now what you have to do, second point, see in the question, this is paper, second point, what is it? Search for the related words in the passage. Search for the related words in the passage and circle them. So already you circled in the question, circle these words. Now, outside normal working hours means, what is it? Weekends and nights. Circle weekends and nights. So you got one. Next, need help. Can you find anywhere need help?
Emergency.
Emergency means need help. Circle emergency, very good. Emergency. Line number? 3. Emergency. Okay? Emergency. Emergency. The next one?
Second sentence.
In addition to our normal working day. There you are under circle. In addition to our normal working day. Then urgent calls only. Urgent also is important there. Now next one. What to do? What to do? Now tell me what to do?
Please telephone.
What to do? What to do if you need help outside normal working hours? Which paragraph? We don't need what to do here. We just need which section contains the following information. Come on, tell me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. B section. See, why I am giving you this? In general training, just find the paragraph. But in academic, you have to not only find the paragraph, but you should find the answer also. First, you have to find the paragraph which is more important. Now I am giving you training to find the paragraph. Then in the next step, we will find the answer. So, now, next one. Who to speak to first for general information? Who to speak to first for general information? Yeah. F. Now, F. How do you find general information? Basic information. General means basic. So general information, basic information. This is how you have to find the words. Then only you will know it very clearly. Next one. Speak first. So nurses, correct? First. What is the word for first? Initial. Primary point of contact. Primary point of contact. And in the next line, second line, F, second line. F, second line, you also have initial queries, means whom to speak to first. That also is there. So answer is F. Next one. What happens when you register with the center? Where do you find? What happens when you register with the center? Which is this one? D. What happens when you register with the center? Hello? Yeah, Vijay. I'm fine. Tell me please. I'm in the class. I'll call you afterwards, okay? So, is it clear? Now, so the answer is D. A, B, C, D. Okay, what happens when you register with the center? Within 3 months of registering with the center, so that is it. Registering with the center. Next one. What to do if you need to cancel a doctor's appointment? Okay, it's appointments, correct? Cancel an appointment. Okay. What happens? What to do if you need to cancel a doctor's appointment?
You cannot keep an appointment.
Yeah. If you cannot keep an appointment, that is it. Okay, next. So it is in which paragraph? A. Very good. Next. Now let's go for true, false, not given. How to find a true, false, not given? This is the most difficult area for many students. Now true, false, not given. You must always see the same doctor if you visit the center. What are the keywords? These are called as points of reference or points, important points. Okay, now let us see. U is normal thing, so that is not important. Must, circle must, must, circle must. Always is circle, not only one time, it's always. It's not can, it's must. Next, see that same doctor, see, circle C. The word see should be there. The same doctor, the same doctor. Circle if is a condition, circle if, this also should be there. Next, use the normal word, visit the center. Visit is the important word, visit the center. Now, listen to me, don't turn the page now. Now here, must, number 1, always number 2, see, number 3, the same doctor, number 4, if, condition 5, visit the center. So 6 points are there here, you understand? All these 6 points are there in the passage or not, that is important. 6 points are there here, correct? All these points should be there in the passage. Now let us find whether all these 6 points are there, or only 4 are there, or 5 are there, or 3 are there. We'll find out now. Now let us see. Where can we find this one? First, appointments. Now let us see. First one, must. Must is there?
No.
Okay. Always is there? No. See the same doctor?
Yes.
Yes. Where is it? First line. We suggest that you try to see the same doctor whenever possible, because it is helpful for both you and your doctor to know each other well. So we suggest, it is a suggestion, that's all. It is not implementation. It is not a rule. Not false. Wait. Don't hurry. So all the information is given, correct? Information, all the points, must, no need to must. That is what is suggestion, correct? Always, not always, whenever possible. Understand? Then see or visit, try to see. Same doctor. The next one, visit the center. Means whenever possible. So all the information points are given. Correct? Now let me tell you, there are 2 steps here. First step, all the information points which are there in the question are there in the passage or not. What is there in the passage need not be there in the question, but what is there in the question must be there in the passage. If all are there, then only it is given. If anyone is not there, that means it is not given. No need same words. Instead of always, whenever possible is there, that's all. Okay. So answer is there. It's not always, it is whenever possible. You got it? That is how it is. So information is here. Is it to be met always? No, it is not to be met always. It is whenever possible. Now, so all the information, points of information are given. So the information is given. Correct? Now let us see next step. Next step is, are all these information points same or different? Same doctor, it is okay. Matching, correct? It is matching. Then C, matching. Visit the center. Matching. Always? Whenever possible means sometimes. It's not matching. And then another point is also there. What is that? Must. Only suggest. It's not must, it's only suggestion. So now, two things are not matching, correct? Leave alone two things. Even if one information point is not matching, it is false. If you want to be true, all of them should be matching exactly. Do you understand? See, same doctor, same doctor. C, C. Maybe different words, but information should be the same. You understand? So, two things are not matching here. Now tell me, is it true or false? So every passage, when you are seeing true, false, not given, first thing you have to find out is whether information is given or not given. Okay? Then you should find out whether it is true or false. True or false you can tell only when it is information is given. Okay? Only when information is given you can say true or false. Okay? Now let's go to the second question. Second question. What is the second question? Let us see there. Second question. If you want a repeat prescription, you must make an appointment. If you want a repeat prescription, you must make an appointment. Okay. If you want a repeat prescription, you must make an appointment. Where can you find this? Circle the words there. Repeat, want, if, prescription, must make an appointment. All these words should be there in one way or the other way. Yeah. Which paragraph is it?
Maybe.
Okay. Repeat prescription, huh? Is it there?
No.
Anywhere?
No.
So let us see that. Repeat prescription, you must make an appointment. Appointments are there in the first paragraph, right? So appointments. Is there anywhere talking about prescription?
Prescription for foreign travel in each
Paragraph number? E.
Prescription for
School medicals and prescriptions for foreign travel. Okay? But this is not talking about appointment, correct? Okay. There are recommended fee for these set by the National Medical Association. Please ask at reception. So, but is there repeat prescription anything anywhere there? No. So, if something is not there, that means information is not there, it is not given. Next, Helen Stranger is the head nurse. Underline, circle Helen Stranger, circle the head nurse. Yeah. Where will you find this one?
C.
C.
central.
Center nurses. There is Helen Stranger, two places, correct? Now tell me, Helen Stranger is there, but what about head nurse?
No.
All three center nurses are there, but head nurse, anybody is head nurse or not, we don't know, correct?
Not given.
So that information is not given. So, 1 minute. Just let us see here. All the three are head nurses, or all the three are just center nurses. Anybody is there, head nurse is given or not given? You have to be little careful here. You have to be little careful. Now let us see the question again. Helen Stranger is the head nurse. Helen Stranger is a center nurse, we know that. All the three are center nurses, we know that. Correct? All the three. Let us see. Liz Stewart, Martina Scott and Helen Stranger are available daily by appointment to help you with dressings and all these things. So, he's saying all three center nurses. They are all three center nurses. Now you have to decide whether it is
I think it's
not given or false.
False.
It should be false. Okay. Next one. Next one. let us take, it is possible that receptionists will ask you to explain your problem. It is possible that receptionists will ask you to explain your problem. Where is this? Receptionist. So, possible, circle possible, receptionist circle, will ask circle, explain circle, your problem circle. Now, is the information given all these?
Yes.
Yes. If all are given, then information is given. Now tell me whether it is true or false. If it is matching, if all the pieces of information are matching, it is true. If any one is not matching, it is false. Now tell me, is it true or false?
True.
Okay, next one. You should give the health center your new contact details if you move house.
Yes.
You should give the health center your new contact details if you move house.
True.
Change of address. So circle should, circle give, circle health center, circle new contact details if move house. Now all this information is there or not?
Yes.
Yes. If it is there, is it true or false?
True.
True. Okay. Now I am giving you second passage. 10 minutes you have to do now. Everything same system, same steps. 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. Come on. Keep the paper in front of you. Do the 10 steps. Second passage. Yeah.